Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you if you have some grinding, supercharging, whining noise coming from your engine of my car is 2006 Honda Accord. How do you search and identify where are the noise coming from and how do you address this issue? Without further ado, I will play a clip about the noise to see if you have a similar noise issue. Start up the vehicle. Hope we can hear the whining noise. So when I identify this issue, I search online for some YouTubers. They're talking about the noise either coming from the tensioner pulley. Let me show you where it is. You see this pulley? It's right here. Or it might be coming from a steering wheel pump here. So I have no idea where the noise is coming from. One way that you can identify where the noise is coming from is to grab a long screwdriver, or for me, you grab a pry bar, put on the steering wheel pump, you listen to it. The other is you put it on the tensioner pulley. Be careful not to touching the moving part, that's dangerous. But when you hear the main noise is coming from, you can identify, oh, this might be the issue are coming from. If you search some of the YouTuber, you're gonna find a lot of people talking about this is a common issue for 2006 Honda Accord. Even for the other Honda Accord models, and that is the intake and the output. The O-ring is hardening after some time. For this one, this is 2006. I'm not surprised that is the O-ring is out of service. So that is one thing. I changed the input and output O-ring, and the problem is gone. We changed the inline output O-ring. So now you can see, basically you cannot hear the whining noise. Yeah. So after identifying the two potential issue items, I take off this tensioner pulley because this is easier to be done. I just take off the screw there and you can take it off. That is the first thing I've been solving. After that, I still hear the noise. And also when I try to turn the steering wheel, I hear the noise is coming louder. So I know, oh, the steering wheel pump will be the issue. For 2006 Honda Accord, it's going to be very easy. You just take this one screw. You see, this is the intake. For the output, you take those two. Those are all 10 millimeter. The torque is around 11 Newton meter. So it's very easy. You just take them off, change the O-ring. I believe if you have the O-ring, you can easily change them. After changing them, the noise is gone. Hope this will help you address your issue as well. When you hear that whining, grinding, or supercharging noise, try to see whether that's coming from your steering wheel pump or coming from your tensioner pulley. If that's coming from your tensioner pulley, just try to see if it needs some service about grease. If that's your steering wheel pump, try to change the input-output O-ring before changing the whole steering wheel pump. That might address your issue. Hopefully this will be helpful. Thank you. Take care. Bye.